Hi guys, my name is Rochester, and this hair that I am going to talk to you guys about is from Celie hair. Now, I've had this hair for months. I made it into a wig, basic white along with peroxide, and I colored it in 2 sessions, right, to give this ombre look. Now, I'm not a whiz as how I was with coloring hair, but I wanted to have this ombre look, and for a minute the hair was really trashy when I got done with it, and that's because I did not know I had nothing to moisturize the hair with. I didn't put no silicone mix on it. I didn't wash it up with neutralizing shampoo, like none of that. I was like real ghetto and get my hair colored. Okay, so since then no product has been on the hair. I just wrapped it up. This is the wig I took with me over in Florida, but I didn't wear it at all, and then I didn't wear it again for a couple of weeks. Like, I've had this wig for probably 3 or 4 months now. Having colored the hair and not treat it after I've colored it, for it to be doing this, it's beyond me. Now, I will say this, these AliExpress companies are really stepping it up. I mean, this color is absolutely, I didn't put anything on it. I just did the peroxide with the basic white, as simple as you could color your hair. So even if you're not a professional, you can still achieve this color. And this is an ombre color. So it's nice, the ombre. It's not professionally ombre, but it's okayly ombre. I forgot the lengths on this. I'll have the specs listed in the description bar below for you guys. But coloring this hair was a breeze. It lifted really nicely. What I was worried about was the second time when I was coloring the hair, because I didn't know how it would behave. Having said that, the hair has been holding up nicely. I have not been wearing this hair much because I left, most of my stuff was left over in Florida, right? So because of that, I lost a lot of stuff, a lot of videos that should have gone up within a certain time frame that didn't go up because I had to leave some of my stuff there. So I'm now trying to catch up on the videos that I couldn't get to catch up on, mainly hair videos, because I carried. So so these are the hairs I carried with me to do the videos while I was up there, but I didn't get to do it. So now I'm getting back into the swing of things with reviewing these hairs. I have 2 more to review for you guys. But yes, this is from Celie hair, and as I said, for me to color it and not do anything to it and have it just have this natural sheen to the hair, it's really good hair. I believe this is Malaysian hair as well. If I'm incorrect, the correct specs will definitely be in the description bar for you guys. It flat irons nicely. When I was flat ironing it before this video, I had actually flat ironed it last night, so I just went, hold on. So I just flat ironed it a little bit just to smooth out this top here. Now, I would normally get like my holding spray and spray it on and, like, you know, do the whole shebang and like paste this down, but I don't have my holding spray with me, and I know my part is a little bit wide, you know, but I like a wide part. It's just my preference. But yeah, so the hair is doing good. It's keeping it's holding well. It's doing good for not being taken care of. It's doing good having been colored and just left to do its own thing. It's doing good. So I'm really proud of this hair, and you'll definitely be seeing it in my videos from now on, because not from now on, in future videos, because I love this hair. Want to pass again? Wait, mommy making a video. Hold on. Now, Celie hair is an AliExpress hair, and I'm no stranger to AliExpress hair companies, and the ones that I've been getting are pretty good. Now, I can only speak this confidently on this texture that yeah, it's okay. Mommy filming. I soon come, okay? Soon come. I have not tried any other textures from the hair, but being that this is good, I would not expect like a lower quality or a lower grade hair for any other texture that you'd get. But again, I believe this is the Malaysian, but if I'm incorrect, it will be linked in the description bar below for you guys. And yeah, that's basically it in this for this hair, Celie hair, AliExpress. Colored it, left it unkept for months, and took it out of the bag, brushed it out, flat iron it last night, and then just smooth it out this morning with the flat iron again, and it's doing good. it's doing good. It is doing good. So yeah, this is it for this video, you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Celie here, thank you so much for sending it here for me to review. It is absolutely gorgeous. Zamara, your nose won't blow, don't lick it. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.